Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, park level, chalk wheels and disconnect the trailer from the tow vehicle so you can work safely. Put on gloves and eye protection. Grab a screwdriver, needle nose pliers, a multimeter, and the correct replacement bulb or LED. Walk to the marker light, note which screws hold the lens and where the wiring harness exits the housing. Once done, test the circuit with the multimeter at the connector to confirm whether the fault is the bulb or upstream wiring. You remove the lens next. Loosen the screws and gently pry the lens free, keeping fasteners and seals together so nothing is lost. Pull the bulb socket from the housing and unplug the harness. Visually inspect the socket and wires for corrosion, melted plastic, or broken strands. Use your multimeter to check for 12V at the socket while a helper operates the marker circuit. If voltage is present, the socket or bulb is the issue. If not, trace wiring back toward the plug or fuse panel. You install the replacement bulb or LED into the socket, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the contacts to prevent corrosion, then seat the socket and replace the lens, tightening screws evenly so the seal compresses. Reconnect the trailer plug to the tow vehicle, activate the marker lights and verify at close range and from a distance. Make sure the color and brightness match the other markers. If it still fails, check the circuit fuse, the ground at the chassis, and voltage at the trailer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.